In this video, we're diving into how to harness the power of Claude for automating code refactoring, equipping you with skills to enhance efficiency and maintain code quality effortlessly. Did you know that automating code refactoring can save developers countless hours and significantly reduce errors? Welcome to our deep dive into how Claude can revolutionize your code maintenance process. In today's video, we'll explore the essential steps to set up and execute automated refactoring tasks using Claude. By the end, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to improve efficiency and maintain code quality with ease. Claude is a powerful tool designed to simplify the automation of code refactoring. With its user-friendly interface and robust features, Claude allows developers to streamline their workflows and focus on more critical tasks. It can handle a variety of refactoring tasks, from simple code cleanups to complex structural changes, all with minimal manual intervention. Its seamless integration with popular development environments makes it an indispensable tool for maintaining large codebases. In this section, we'll delve into the core features that make Claude a must-have for developers aiming to enhance their coding efficiency.
Identifying when and where to refactor is crucial for maintaining a healthy codebase. Claude can assist in recognizing code smell indicators of potential issues within your code. It uses advanced algorithms to analyze code complexity and prioritize areas that would benefit most from refactoring. Whether it's duplicated code, long methods, or large classes, understanding these common scenarios is key to effective refactoring. Automated tools like Claude can save you time by highlighting these opportunities, enabling you to focus on improving code quality systematically and effectively.
Setting up Claude for your project is a straightforward process, designed to integrate seamlessly with your existing development environment. Start by installing Claude and configuring its settings to suit your project's needs. Connect Claude to your preferred integrated development environment, IDE, to allow it to operate in sync with your current tools. You can also set up project-specific rules to tailor Claude's functionality to your refactoring objectives. Finally, perform an initial test run to ensure everything is functioning as expected. This setup process ensures Claude is ready to enhance your development workflow efficiently.
Once Claude is set up, it's time to execute automated refactoring tasks. Start by selecting the specific tasks you wish to automate. Claude's advanced algorithms will then run through your code, making the necessary adjustments based on the rules you've defined. After the automation process, review the changes to ensure they meet your standards and improve code quality. This iterative improvement process allows you to continuously refine your codebase, leveraging Claude to maintain high standards of coding practice with minimal manual effort.
Even with automated tools, errors can occur during refactoring. Claude provides robust debugging capabilities to help identify and resolve common refactoring errors. In some cases, manual intervention may be necessary to address complex issues. Claude's logging and reporting features are invaluable for tracking these exceptions and analyzing patterns to prevent future occurrences. By understanding how to handle exceptions and errors effectively, you can ensure a smoother refactoring process and maintain a high-quality codebase.
Monitoring the results of your refactoring efforts is essential for understanding their impact. Claude provides tools to track changes over time, allowing you to measure improvements in code performance and quality. By assessing these metrics, you can establish feedback loops that inform future refactoring tasks. Continuous monitoring strategies ensure that your codebase remains optimized, and any regressions are promptly addressed. This proactive approach is crucial for maintaining a robust and efficient development process. Integrating Claude into your continuous integration/continuous deployment (C/CD) pipeline can greatly enhance your development workflow. This integration allows for automated testing and deployment, ensuring that code changes are seamlessly incorporated into the production environment. Claude's capabilities enhance team collaboration by maintaining consistent code quality across all development stages. By incorporating Claude into your C/CD pipeline, you not only streamline your processes but also reinforce a culture of quality and efficiency within your development team. To make the most of automated refactoring, it's important to follow best practices. Begin by establishing clear objectives for your refactoring efforts, focusing on high-impact areas that will yield the most significant improvements. Involve your entire development team to ensure a comprehensive approach and diverse perspectives. Regular review and feedback sessions can help refine your processes and keep everyone aligned with the project goals. Lastly, stay updated with tools like Claude, as advancements in technology can offer new opportunities to enhance your refactoring strategies. We've covered a lot today about how Claude can automate and streamline your code refactoring process. From setting up and executing tasks to monitoring results and integrating with C/CD pipelines, Claude proves to be an invaluable tool for modern developers. We encourage you to try Claude and see the difference it can make in your workflow. Don't forget to like, comment, and share your thoughts below. Let us know what topics you'd like to see next. Your feedback helps us create content that's valuable to you. Until next time, happy coding.